Daniel Edge. I graduated in the master's in clinical pain management. So I'm a veterinarian. I work as a director for medical affairs in an animal healthcare pharmaceutical company. Edinburgh was amazing. So finding the school itself was a challenge. In the United States, there was not a program that was flexible to fit my work needs. And given that there was an online option here, that made it a pretty easy choice to go with, plus the reputation it carries. I've always had a clinical interest in pain management, and the company I now work for, we produce and sell drugs that are used for pain management in cats and dogs and other species. And I wanted to broaden my understanding of the space. The course was very heavily focused on the human patient. I did a veterinary track, but many of the courses were human focused. And there's a biopsychosocial model used in human medicine when it comes to pain management. That's not really well discussed or well understood in veterinary medicine. And so for me, it was very eye-opening to learn more about that and trying to apply that to our patients. Quality of life for the patient is something we work about, but understanding the burden on caretakers and the impact socially for them as well. Yeah, it was fascinating to be in classes with people with such diversity geographically as well as their disciplines. There were dentists and chiropractors and physiotherapists and MDs, anesthesiologists in my class. I was one of the few veterinarians, and so it was nice to hear different perspectives with that. This was a very nice way to interact in the online forums. So I'm still in the same role that I've been in these last few years, but I'm hoping with this advanced degree I can have a little bit more influence with my company. We do a lot more than just manufacture and sell products. We do educate the veterinary profession quite as well, and so I'd like to be able to focus there. I'd recommend it because it was so well put together. There were such good quality professors, and the coursework itself was very well designed. A lot of independent work was required, so certainly the type of person that has to drive themselves. But I think the online aspect provided a lot of positivity to it, and the ability to interact with peers that are global and remote and working through the same struggles, it makes it very worthwhile.